Hi, I'm Guy, and as some podcasters always do it, if you're publishing to YouTube, well, what's the best time to publish? And you know what the best time is? The same time. That is, if you're going to publish on YouTube, unless you're doing a special invitation, live streaming thing or something, if you're just making an episode and putting it on the YouTube every day at the same time, then pick an hour, okay? Because after several years of trying to do the best time, and I was using all the different software to check it out, and what was the best time when the most active people were there. Well, that's great if you're doing a special event to have a special time and announce it and send an event invitation. But if you're wanting to do it every day, same way, same time, okay? Monday through Friday, every week, I do it at 6 a.m. at work. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.